Hello students, I am Nidhi Agarwal, your EVS teacher, and today we will study lesson 6, that is living and non-living things. So first of all, we will recapitulate what we have studied in our last class. In our last class, I told you about the examples of living things. Now you can see in this picture, these are the examples of living things and these are the examples of non-living things. Living things are human beings, animals, plants, etc. And non-living things are car, toy, table, etc. Today, we will study about the characteristics of living thing. So, the first characteristic is living things breathe. As I told you, breathing means taking air in and releasing it out. Now you can see in this picture that this girl is breathing and this fish is also breathing. So, all the living things breathe. So our next characteristic is living things grow. Students, living things grow in size. You can see in this picture that a small baby boy grows up and becomes a man. Next, you can see that a sapling grows and becomes a plant. So in this way, living things grow in size. Next we have living things can move on their own. Students, living things can walk, run, skip, jump, etc. You can see in this picture also that these children are playing, this boy is jumping, these children are dancing. So all living things can move. But plants are the only living things that do not move. Okay, next characteristic is living things have emotions. Now you can see variety of emotions: cry, laugh, smile, sad, frown, worry. Living things have these emotions. Next characteristic is living things eat food. You can see that this boy is eating carrot. The small baby is having a bottle of milk. Next, a monkey is eating banana and this caterpillar is eating leaf. Okay, so our next characteristic is living things reproduce. It means living things produce their young ones. For example, you can see in this picture, human beings have babies, and in this picture, birds have cheeks, okay, and all other animals have their young ones, okay. Next we have non-living things. Now I will tell you about non-living things. Here you can see non-living things do not breathe, do not move on their own, do not have emotions, do not reproduce, and the last one is do not eat food. Here you can see all the examples of non-living thing: ball, chair, car, etc. In the same way, these are the things which are again examples of non-living things. For example, lollipop, ball, paper, etc. So students, I hope living things and non-living things are now clear to you. In our next class, we will study about natural and man-made things. Thank you.